Namaste, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure and privilege to connect with you after our Wave 1 program was completed. So now we are launching the Wave 2 program just to connect the threads between our earlier program and this one. In the Wave 1, we have discussed about the various cost drivers that will enable the organization to catch up with the profitability, and that was an awareness program in which we have given some bird's eye view at a 40,000 feet perspective how the various cost drivers can be taken up for improvement. Now there was a good reception and then acceptance of the program. People were looking forward to specific competency development in the Wave 2. So we have worked on this in detail, and then we are coming up with the Wave 2 program which is going to be much more in detail in terms of the various tools and techniques that can be adopted for taking up your cost optimization efforts. You may like to know what is the difference between the Wave 1 and the Wave 2. In the Wave 1, you must have got an idea that how the leadership is important and what are the other cost drivers like material cost optimization and cost of poor quality, and then we talked about the inventory optimization. Those programs must have given you some kind of insight that those are the important cost drivers. But going forward, so we need to import certain specific competencies to your team and the leadership that is going to work on these projects, so which require an in-depth understanding of how these tools and techniques can be applied in your organization. Unless otherwise a deeper understanding of these tools and techniques are taken up, mere awareness is not going to be of any significance. So these programs are designed in such a way they are much more deeper in terms of giving you the complete details of how a particular cost reduction, cost optimization can be undertaken. Just to give an example, in the inventory optimization program earlier, we had an idea of what DDMRP is all about and how this can be applied in a given company, etc. But that was more of an appreciation kind of a program. But now we are going to give you a very detailed, in-depth understanding how this DDMRP can be designed for your organization, and then you can take up those steps after understanding. You may be able to start applying these techniques in your company. So going forward, after this competency building program, if you are keen to get some assistance from us in terms of consulting, hand-holding, those aspects will also be looked into, and then we may provide you further support in terms of achieving the best benefits to prepare your industry for facing the post-COVID scenario as well as the emerging export opportunities. Thank you very much. Look forward to see you in these programs, and I will give you much more deeper understanding of each modules and what they are going to cover, and then what kind of takeaway you can have. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time and effort in joining us in this program. God bless you. Take care.